Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe on mobile. First, you'll need to download a compatible Nintendo 64 emulator and the Super Mario 64 ROM file. Make sure your mobile device has at least 2 GB of RAM for smooth gameplay. Next, apply the Co-op Deluxe patch to your ROM using a patching tool. Finally, transfer the patched ROM to your emulator's game directory. Once your game is set up, it's time to configure your controls. You can use the on-screen touch controls, but for the best experience, we recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller. Navigate to your emulator settings to customize button layouts and adjust video options for better visuals. Also, ensure your network settings are optimized for a stable connection, especially for multiplayer. This setup will greatly enhance your gaming. Now, let's get into playing with friends. To host a game, open the emulator, select your patched ROM, and choose the Host Multiplayer option. Share your IP address or connection code with your friends. If you're joining, select Join Multiplayer and enter the host's details. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting your router or checking your firewall settings. A stable internet connection is key for smooth co-op. To truly master Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe, teamwork is essential. Coordinate with your partner to tackle levels efficiently, perhaps having one player focus on collecting coins while the other goes for stars. Experiment with different character combinations to leverage their unique abilities. Remember, communication is key to overcoming the game's challenges. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.